Good morning, students. Welcome in online English class. I hope all of you safe at your home. As in previous video, we started Honeydew's first lesson, the best Christmas present in the world. In the lesson, we read that author bought a desk from the junk shop. He found a letter in the drawer of the desk. It was written to Mrs. Macpherson by her husband Jim Macpherson. Jim Macpherson narrated a beautiful incident in the letter. What was the incident, students? I think all of you know what was the incident, but today again I am repeating that the Britishers and the Germans were at war. Jim was the captain in the British army. On Christmas Day, German soldiers were coming towards their trenches. They took snacknaps, students, German wine and sausage meat with them. They took German wine and canned meat with them. They came there to celebrate Christmas with British Army. Now today we are going to start next part of this story. Now there were no gunshots, no rifles, rather there were warm hugs, handshakes, German wine and canned meat. The German or we can say Fritz officer moved towards Macpherson. They shook hands very warmly. Then the German officer introduced himself. He said that he was from Dusseldorf. Dusseldorf is the name of the country in Germany, and played cello. Cello means, students, a musical instrument like a large violin. His name was Hans Wolf. In return, Macpherson also introduced himself. He said that he was a school teacher from Dorset. Dorset is the name of southwest England country. Now Jim wrote in his letter that Hans Wolf knew about Dorset. He spoke almost perfect English. Macpherson was surprised to see Hans Wolf spoke good English and knew about Dorset also, where he never went. Why he was surprised, student? Why Macpherson was surprised? Because Hans Wolf was from Germany. He belonged from Germany. After it, he knew about the Dorset, which is the country of the England, and he spoke very well English also. That's why Jim Macpherson was surprised. Hans Wolf told that his favorite writer was Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy is also famous writer, famous dramatist of England, and his favorite book was Far from the Madding Crowd. They discussed Bathsheba, Gabriel, Oak, Sergeant Troy. These all are characters, students. These all are characters from Bible. So they discussed about that characters. Now he told about his family. Hans Wolf said that his family included his wife and one 6-month son also. Jim Macpherson looked around. He saw huddles of khaki and grey everywhere. Huddles means, students, group of people. So as he looked around, he saw both soldiers, British who wore khaki coats as well as Germans who wore grey coats, were laughing, talking, drinking, eating with each other. Macpherson shared with Hans Wolf the Christmas cake his wife, Connie Macpherson, had sent for him. Hans Wolf said that the marzipan means, students, a sweet covering on a cake made from sugar, eggs, almonds, dry fruits. So that sweet covering was called marzipan. So Hans Wolf said that the marzipan was the best he had never tasted. Both they agreed about everything, and Jim knew that he was his enemy, but it was a wonderful Christmas party. Then a soldier brought out a football. The soldiers played while Macpherson and Hans Wolf, both the captains of the armies, clapped, cheered, and stamped their feet. At that moment, Macpherson noticed that their breaths mingling in the air. Mingling means mixing. Whose breath here? Both the armies, German as well as England soldiers' breaths mixing in the air. Hans Wolf suggested that the world would be much better if the problems were solved by a football match instead of war. Instead of war, the problems were solved by a football match. In that way, no women would be widowed, no kids orphaned, and no one would be died. Jim very funny, very jokingly replied he would prefer a cricket match rather than football match. Fritz, German soldiers won the match. German soldiers won the match. After the football match, all drinks and eatables were consumed. Now, soldiers of both sides bade goodbye to each other and felt that the celebration was a memorable one. Hans Wolf saluted Macpherson and walked away slowly and unwillingly. That night in their dugout means, students, a shelter for soldiers made by digging a hole in the ground and covering it. So in their dugout they heard that Germans were singing a carol, and they sang it very beautifully, and the song was Silent Night. Now British soldiers also replied with a rousing chorus of white shepherds watched. Both the armies exchanged carols for a while, and then it was all silence. Macpherson wrote in his letter that he would treasure their moments. He would treasure all those moments in his whole life. Students, read this lesson, and along with this video, I am sending you some question answer. So all of you do that question answer neatly in your notebook and do the word meaning also. Thank you. Have a nice day.